Thanks so much for tuning in. Today I have a daily goodie box. This is for the month of November. And I can't wait to see what's in here. So, ton of goodies to talk about. The first one is Ella's Flats All Seed Savory Crisp. This is everything. So it has pink Himalayan salt and it's just little crunchy bits. Can't wait to try. Men's, it says men's size, one size, but it's a heat holders, hat beanie for the winter. And it has a really soft inside and just looks like that on the outside. Love Heat Holders brand. I have some heat holder socks. Love those. Clusterbucks, grain-free, superfood clusters, and whoa, coconut maple Zollipops, and let's see, delicious fruit flavors. So here are these. Sorry, I was looking at the back. Love Zollipops. My kids love Zollipops. Let's see, what are these? Mastiqe chewing gum with natural Mastiqe, sugar-free. Never heard of these, so I'll definitely have to get some more information on these because I am interested. Let's see, pre-brewed condensed green tea. Looks like you probably just mix them in water. If I had to guess, let's see. Yeah, you just mix it in water. It looks like this. And we have green tea. Oh, green tea, just the actual green tea. And then we have green tea peach, green tea raspberry, and green tea lemon. Awesome. Let's see. Owl in a Towel Balsam Fir Hand Cream, Nourishing Aromatic Evergreen. Tell me it smells like a Christmas tree, because that's what I really want to know. It's okay, I definitely have to rub this in my hands to get the full effect. So it just looks like that. I hope that picks up on camera. Let's see. Okay, so it kind of smells menthol-y. Has like a menthol smell. Okay, cool. Can't wait to continue using that. And then some coupon things down the bottom. Whoops. Let's see, 15% off code for Ella's Flats, Zolli candy, $1 off, $10 gift card with bonus for reviewing, and then some information about the Zolli. So that's what was in the bottom of the box. And that's everything for this month's daily goodie box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in my next one. Bye, everyone.